with one bay leaf we offer on the Shivalingam as we chant the Bilva Ashtakam. Today, my friends, this is the shortest hour on 103 FM, Shanti Vandana hour, as we almost bring down the curtains on this other very beautiful Sunday morning of conversations with God. Shanti Vandana. Today we speak about enlarging your vision. And today as we conclude, I would like to share with you a true story, something that really happened, that reminds us that we must get rid of small-minded thinking and start thinking as God thinks. Think big, think increase, think abundance, think more than enough. Years ago, a famous golfer was invited by the King of Saudi Arabia to play in a golf tournament. And he accepted the invitation, and the king flew his private jet over to the United States to pick up this professional. And they played golf for several days and enjoyed a good time. As the golfer was getting on the plane to return to the United States, the king stopped him and said, "I want to give you a gift for coming all this way and making this time so special. Anything you want. What could I get you?" And even the gentleman, the golfer, replied, "Oh, please don't give me anything. You've been a gracious host. I've had a wonderful time. I couldn't ask for anything more." The king was adamant. He said, No, I insist on giving you something so you will always remember your journey to our country." And when the golfer realized that the king was resolute, he said, "Okay, fine. I collect golf clubs. Why don't you give me a golf club?" And he boarded the plane, and on his flight back home, he couldn't help wondering what kind of golf club the king might give him. He imagined that it might be a solid gold putter with his name engraved on it. Or maybe it would be a sand wedge stud studded with diamonds and jewels. He's thinking like this. And after all, this would be a gift from the oil-rich king of Saudi Arabia. And when the golfer got home, he watched the mail and the delivery services every day to see if his golf club had come yet. And finally, several weeks later, he received a letter from the King of Saudi Arabia. And the US professional thought that was rather strange. Where's my golf club, he wondered. And he opened the envelope. To his surprise, inside he discovered a deed to a 500-acre golf course in America. Dear friends, sometimes kings think differently than you and I think. And friend, our God, our Bhagavan, he is the King of all kings. And we serve God with ultimate favor. We serve God knowing that our dream, the dream for our life, must be so much bigger and better that you can ever imagine. My friends, God wants us to have the largest vision for our own self and our family's lives. Friends, God has the capacity, he has the will, he has the ability, he has everything that is required to satisfy any desire, any legitimate desire in this world. God can fulfill. So my friends, why not enlarging your vision for your life, enlarging the goals and the objectives and the dreams. You know, my friends, the only time that you're not allowed to have a dream or a goal or objectives in this life is when life and there's no conscious breath within this body. So dear friends, while you're alive, while you have consciousness within this presence that is called you, my friends, continue to dream big. Continue to have big visions for yourself and your family. And therefore, believe it on the inside and you would see it manifesting on the outside. This is Pandit Krishan Ramdeen saying thank you very much for joining with me over the last hour or so. And I would like to extend an invitation to those of you who are looking to go to a Sunday morning service and are not sure where to go if you're in Trinidad. Today, the RRDS celebrates Christmas. Of course, At our mandir, we celebrate Christmas, we celebrate Eid, we celebrate all the occasions, because at RRDS, we know that God is beyond the boundaries of religion, beyond the boundaries of any structure. And today we celebrate with the world, as the children would come out in their masses to celebrate with us. And also I'd like to extend an invitation to you this coming All Year's Night. At 8 p.m., RRDS will be celebrating our 20th year anniversary as a mandir. And therefore, I'd like to extend all of you to please come with us, join with us, as we close down the curtains on 2013, as we usher in a very beautiful and promising 2014. Please come, join with us, as we have a wonderful evening, powerful, packed, chanting evening with members of the RRDS, Kirtan Acharyas. Dear friends, this is Pandit Krishan Ramnin Singh again. Thank you very much for joining with me over the last hour. And do stay tuned for continuing.